Hi, Mark. Here it is Tuesday, July the 8th, 9 a.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. GMT. US session underway, and let's have a look how the dollar index is performing going into the new US trading day. A gap down lower to start in the index. You can see that from a close yesterday of 97.20. Opened today at 97.01, but US dollar fighting its way back, looking to test resistance again, same as yesterday at 97.22. Buyers will certainly be looking to maintain the pressure, demand continue, and the US dollar index looking up at that 97.50, 98 area. On the other hand, if there is a turnaround, and we do see US dollar weakness now that the US session is underway, it'll be a bounce down off this area around the 97.20, looking down at support at 96.81. Let's have a look how the majors are performing, starting with the Euro US. Gapped higher to start. You can see that closed yesterday at $1.1707 and then opened up at 117.37, tested higher, resistance 117.66, support at 117.11, and on the way down right now, selling euro, buying US dollar, starting strong now that the US session's underway. Let's have a look at the hourly. There you can see the range. There you can see selling euro, buying US, sellers of euro and US dollar strength looking to come break below the 117.11 support. Buying euro, selling US dollar weakness will look back up here at the 117.66 resistance area. The pound. Selling pound, buying US dollar strength, third day in a row, looking at support here at around the 135.60 area. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see strong US dollar pushing down now to test the support here at 135.60. A turnaround, US dollar weakness would look for a bounce up off this support area and back up at the 136.49.50 resistance area. Let's have a look at the US yen. Again, US dollar strength to start the day. A strong day yesterday, strong day today. Did gap lower, but buyers fought back quickly off support at 145.80, now sitting at 146.69, 146.70, buying US, selling yen. And if I go to the hourly, that trend's really strong. You can see that sitting at the resistance now at the 146.68.70 area. Buyers will be looking to test and break above that area. Sellers of US, buyers of yen will look for a bounce down off this resistance area and back down at the 145.83, which is the support. Let's have a look at the US yen. I'm sorry, US dollar Canadian. And there's the daily. Gapped lower to start. Looks like it's fighting its way back now. The US dollar looking up at resistance for now today is at 136.65. Yesterday's resistance 136.86. Buyers of US looking up here at the 137 area is what buyers will be looking for. Sellers of US, buyers of Canadian will be looking down here at the support at 136.38. Let's zoom in on the hourly. Here you can see US dollar definitely fighting back against the Canadian and looking to test and break above this 136.66 resistance area. So to start today, we're seeing strong US dollar against the euro, against the pound, the yen, and the Canadian. We'll see if that can be maintained, if the relative resistance support areas will be broken, Alternatively, if we do see a turnaround and weak US dollar, we've got the levels to work with, and I'll see you at the end of day. Good trading.